way.
Hello, this is Michael Jensen. I just logged in and looked at my genealogy, and my 3x7 matrix is growing again. I just made 2 videos last night, and I had new signups, new spillover and spill under. My matrix is growing. I just wanted to show you, this is another capture page that I'm using. It's a leads lead page. We do have team funnels that you can use, that you can get these capture pages like these, like I have. It says stop, discover exactly how to earn $2,000 per week. Team build system helps you build an $8,000 to $10,000 a month residual income. Just take a few seconds to request information about our team build, and it's got my name and my picture. It's wealth step by step. Global worldwide opportunity, only $30 a month. A lot of value, good products, digital products, and global worldwide. Residual income, but low costs, only $30 a month. He's adding more features, benefits, additions to the services and the products that we get in the back office as products or services that we can take advantage of, and he's not going to change the price. It's going to stay $30. We also can sell to customers only. If somebody doesn't want to be in the matrix, if they don't want to be in the comp plan, they can just be a customer, and we get $25 per month from that $30 a month customer. If they're a customer only, we still make a lot of money, $25 per month from every customer. And the customer pages are totally separate from the affiliate marketing pages. So if somebody just wants to use an autoresponder that's low cost, a high quality, good autoresponder for only $30 a month. Lots of people need autoresponders, and there's a lot of people that are paying up to $100 a month for an autoresponder marketing system. So you can sell a product to a person if they just need an autoresponder, or they're not happy with the autoresponder that they have, or maybe the deliverability is real lousy and everything, all their campaign emails are going to the spam box or the junk folder. He changed it to digital products. It used to be physical products a few years ago, or a couple years ago, and it wasn't doing very good. And now that he has this new comp plan and a bunch of little videos that we can share, it's very easy to duplicate by sharing the little 3-minute videos, 2-minute videos. And we have people that are making videos. I have a playlist with about 60 videos that you can use, and just give out your link. You give out your Leads Leap link. You can see my Leads Leap link right there in the browser. Right there. You copy the link, give them that link, give them your name, your phone number, and you build your list with a capture page. People put their name and their email, they click the button, they get to the thank you page, and they learn about our team. We have about 1,700 people in the Facebook group for our team. There's about probably 200 or 300 people, maybe more, joining every month in this program. It's super hot right now and it's on fire. You don't want to wait too long, because the people that you don't invite to the videos and to the presentations and Zoom calls and sizzle calls. We have a sizzle call phone number. If you don't get in now and invite people, somebody's going to invite you, because this is growing fast, and somebody's going to pitch it to you if you don't offer it to other people now. You want to get in now while you can, while it's I don't even think it's really in momentum, but it's growing fast, and we got a lot of top leaders. I'm getting a lot of spillover from a man above me, and there's another man below me that is a big marketer. And I'm getting my other lower levels filled by him. So I'm getting residual income from him building down there, because he's a big internet marketer and has a lot of websites and traffic sites and other programs and other income opportunities. He's been in business a long time. He's got a lot of 25 years experience, and he's below me. But I got another man that's just like that above me, so I'm getting spillover from above and spill under from below me. So if I just keep building, and my members that I have recruited on my team, the ones that I invited into my team, if we just keep building on the middle, I have people building from the top, I have people building from below me, and if me and my downline team, my downline members, if we keep getting our 3 and helping our members to get their 3, it's going to get filled, because I got a good person below me, and I got a good person that's really bringing in a lot of people above me. So I want you to call me. Here's my picture right here. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. You can call me at 352. Please write down my number. Call me 24 hours a day. Right now it's like 3 or 4 in the morning. It's 3:35 in the morning. I'm up at night. I woke up a little while ago and I'm catching up, and I have people I'm texting and they're on my websites and they're opting in, and I'm chatting with them, and other people are up in the middle of the night just like me. I'm not the only one. You can call me anytime, day or night. If I don't answer, leave a message, speak slowly twice, tell me your name, your phone number, tell me what opportunity you looked at or what videos, send me the video link so I know what you looked at. Write down my phone number, please, 352-286-8014. I'll say it again slowly. Write it down, please. 352-286-8014. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. Take just a few seconds, request information about our team build. It's a team build matrix system. Everybody helps each other. I have people above me that are helping me, giving me spillover. I have people below me giving me spill under. They're building below me. People are building above me, and it's spilling underneath me and helping my team members. Everybody just needs to get 3. Or there are a lot of people in this opportunity, I should say some people in this opportunity, that are getting residual income and they haven't brought anybody into the matrix, anybody into their team, but they're getting spillover and making residual income. But you need to be patient and be in here, stick and stay for about 3 to 5 or 6 months. You'll probably get spillover. I can't guarantee it, but people are getting spillover, but too many people quit after the first month. Just hang out with us for 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and you'll probably get spillover. I can't guarantee it, but you have to be patient if you're waiting for spillover. If you don't want to promote and advertise and recruit and whatever you want to call it, if you don't want to sell, if you don't want to share with people, we're just sharing with people. We're sharing value. We're sharing a system that works. This thing is on fire. 352-286-8014. I'm going to put the link to this capture page down below this video in the pinned comment and also in the video description. If you're on my website, the button under this video is going to take you to the next step. Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team and Wealth Step by Step. I made 2 videos last night. Watch those videos, please, talking about my spillover and that I'm getting and receiving. And then I checked it an hour later and I got another one. Now I just checked it tonight or this morning at 3 in the morning, 3:30 in the morning. Now I have another friend in there. I know who he is. He's my friend, Arnold Fisher. Now he's in my matrix. So I have another person to build underneath me. Arnold Fisher joined a little while ago, apparently, because while I was sleeping, he must have signed up and paid. So he's in my matrix. Now I have 5 people on my 3rd level. I'm working on my 2nd and 3rd level. And if everybody just gets 2 a month, you get $25 fast start commissions. So you get $50. 25 and 25 is 50. And it's only a $30 a month program. You'll be $20 ahead if you just bring in 2 people a month. That's all. Just get the $50 fast start every month. That way your $30 is covered. Just try to get 2 people a month. If it takes you 30 days to get 2 people, it's not hard. Just get 2 people per month. Or 3 per month. If everybody just gets their 3, this matrix will be filled. And mine is filling automatically by other people. And I'm promoting and making videos and promoting and advertising. I made some nice flyers. I'm going to start publishing them in magazine ads and direct mail. I can mail them in envelopes. I can make postcards out of them, and I can put them in the magazine, the direct mail magazine ads, full page ads. They're low cost. They're cheap. It's good advertising. A lot of direct mail people read those magazines. They're ad magazines. They want to see what's going on, and they want to see who's out there. I made a branded flyer, and it's going to be published, and I'll show it to you if you ask me. If you want to do direct mail and flyers and postcards, just ask me for my PDF flyer or ask me for the image of the flyer. I can show you. And I can design you a flyer if you want to mail postcards and flyers. 352-286-8014. Jesus loves you. He's coming soon. Come to Christ, get born again. John 14:6. No man comes to the Father except through Jesus. He's the only way. And I love you enough to tell you the truth. I care about you and your salvation more than the stupid money and commissions. Come to Christ, get to know Him. If you don't join my opportunity, great. But let's pray together. If you just need to pray, there's suicidal people all over the place. There's people that have demons that need to be cast out. There's depressed people. People have anxiety. They have mental problems. People have demons and they don't even know it. Come to Christ. Get born again. Jesus has everything you need. Thank you. 352-286-8014. Call me. I'm here. I'm awake. 3:40 in the morning. Or leave a message and I'll get back to you. Send me a text. Send me a video link so I know what you're looking at, because I have a lot of videos. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
No way.